Hey friends! Welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are going to draw Pochacco from Sanrio. Anyways guys, do you like my videos? If you do, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So let's start. First we're going to start with the eyes, so let's make two bright circles right on the sides. Like one right here and one across from it. And we're gonna draw a cute little nose. Looks kind of like the one Hello Kitty has, but let's make the eyelashes. I love eyelashes. I just like making them on like different drawings. So, okay, let's continue. We're gonna continue with the face. So we're going to make it now. Let's make the head, like the base. Pochacco is really cute. I love it so much. You guys also like Pochacco? Do tell me in the comment section. I would love to know whether you like Pochacco or any other Sanrio characters. You can tell me. I can draw them. Now we're gonna draw two little cute ears. I left the space because I just want to draw like a cute little hamburger for some reason. I don't know why I want to draw that, but I just do. I want to like switch my marker so I can like make more details inside the burger. So there we go. And that looks pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna continue. Let's make the neck. And now we're gonna make the body. You have to make that weird shape and then curve it. Up like that. This is the foot. Super duper cute. I really want to make like a flower because I just want to make this look very beautiful. You can draw this anywhere, like you can draw it while giving like a card because it's very sweet. You can like how I'm drawing a flower, you can just cut the flower part and you can draw like a heart here. That could be very like pretty and stuff. You could use your own creativity for this. Like instead of a hamburger, you could draw like a little kitty or anything else you like. And that's it. That's the end of our drawing. I hope you liked my video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, as I said. And stay tuned for more content. Bye!